Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. I am Coach Castle, and today we're going to be getting into another do-it-yourself project. Now, this is for those of you who are doing your gyms at home, you're building home gyms, you have a garage gym, whatever it may be, even if you're a mobile personal trainer. I'm going to be teaching you how to very simply and cheaply build a collapsible rack for either dumbbells or weight plates. So it looks very nice, it's very clean. All you're going to need is actually one 2x4, one 1-inch dowel rod, one box of 2 or 1, it doesn't matter, sawhorse brackets, screw gun, drill bit, some screws, and a saw. Of course, paint if you want it. So that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the build.
Tisch, Wasser, Tisch, Wasser. Wasser, Tisch, Wasser.
Alright guys, so this is a finished rack. Pretty easy. Take it with you somewhere, pick this up, take the block out, comes with you. Of course, all of the dowel rods deattach. You can also just load this with weight and go for a walk if you feel like doing that kind of a workout. But all in all, it works really good, and it holds, I don't know how much it holds. Well, more than the table, so I'm going to stop now. But as of right now, this is, about 223 pounds, 230 pounds. I'm going to take it off now. Well, since you're still here, sneak peek at the next thing I'm going to be showing you, the perfect portable home gym or camping gym or whatever you want. It all fits in here, your pulleys, your handles, your attachments, your cables, everything except the weight. So I'll be making a video about this one soon, everybody.